Alright, sama ko muna kayo ulit with another mini vlog. Today, we're going to BSK noong July 27 for another show with DJ Dax. Pero 24 hours earlier, bago yung show, na sugod ako sa hospital with high-grade fever dahil sa tonsillitis. Pero umabot naman, medyo okay na. So, sound check here. Ayan, so konting rehearsal lang kasi bago yung set of songs. Ito yung set ni DJ Marks. Pero wala. So had the set birthday niya din, I think. So, happy birthday, DJ Marks. Ganda rin yung set niya. Relate sa mga ka-age na. Then, showtime. We had our set around 2 a.m. So, medyo antok-antok. Pero gising na gising yung diwa pag sampa sa stage. Siyempre, kailangan game face. Maging ready. So, this is like our fourth, if I'm not mistaken, fourth time. Second time sa BSK. Ayan, so during our set, may mga parts na hindi kami nag-play. So ito yung POV ko. Of course, wearing ear protection. Lagi nating tatandaan that we have to protect our ears, especially in these types of loud environments. So, nakatapat sa atin yung monitors, nakatapat sa atin yung loudspeakers. So kailangan talaga ingatan natin yung ating pandinig. So check to sa Yellow Basket for my go-to earplugs for these types of events. So, shameless plug na rin natin. Tay, sobrang saya ng crowd, no? Sobrang daming tao. I think this was already Sunday morning. Ganda rin ng lights talaga dito sa BSK. So, if you haven't been here yet, sobrang solid. It's really a great spot to jam, and all the DJs are so good. So, ito yung pinaka-opening namin. I'll let you see it. And if you like it, follow me for more. And subscribe also to my channel sa YouTube and all my socials. Iwan ko na kayo dito with this